So hello guys, today I show you how to earn unlimited TNC. So guys, a new app launched yesterday and the app said a new registered receive 100 M. I mean guys, 100 M equal to 100 TNC. So guys, you look here and the look here only pre-registration. Who fast registration? Aladdin25.com, then you can receive this 100 M. So guys, today I show you how to earn that. So guys, first time click on a link, the registration link I send. I give the video description. You check out the link, and guys, so first time click the link, then guys open a browser. So wait some time. So guys, the app launched yesterday, but the app I think slow on this time. So guys, enter your email ID, and enter your password and repeat again. Just I like my email ID. World 8 World 8 @gmail.com. So guys, I choose my password. You can choose your own password. Just I choose that. So guys, notice this password, minimum password 8, and a special character, and a number, and a small character, and a large character. So guys, and then I click, you click team and service, and then service policy, and click the I am not a robot. So guys, I am verified this, and I click the confirm button. Then I check my email ID, this right, and you choose your password, and guys, click to confirm. Just I click the confirm button. So guys, I click again. The server is very slow because, so guys, you look a I receive a mail on my email. Then guys, you complete, then guys, your email ID verified now. Then guys, you look my I received a mail on my Gmail. Time looks, and the Aladdin. Then guys, scroll down and click the submit button, this button guys. So I click the button. Then guys, I verify my email ID. Then guys, I click login button, this button guys, and wait some time because the app, I click it, remove my touch, the touch world 8 gmail.com. Then guys, I click my password, just I click my password, you click your password. Then guys, click here, I am not a robot. Then guys, it verify. Then you can then you click on login button. So guys, one email 100 m, I mean 100 tnc, and 100 email 1000 tnc. Sorry guys, 10,000 tnc. So guys, check the notice board, and guys, you can check it. Only the 100 m can receive only pre-register. Who register fast, then he received the 100 m. And guys, we look second post. The guys, you can your friend, if you invite your friend your referral id, then you receive 20 m. I mean, look guys, look, 1 m equal to 1 tnc, and you if you invite your friend, then you receive 20 m. So guys, the server, I click you click the three line, just I click the three line guys. So then I show you I receive 100 m or not. Then guys, I click my dashboard. So guys, you can try it unlimited time. This is only for pre-registration user. So wait some time guys. The server is very slow. So guys, you can check it, check my 100 m, and the email id who registered now this time, and you can check it. This is my referral id and new referral id. And if you invite your friend, then you check your friend details on here. Just I click my old my personal, my own id. So I this is my own id, I click my dashboard. So guys, wait some time and I show you today. This is my today and guys, the withdrawal is this time not possible because the app update sometime. Then guys, you check it. I received 320. I'm and guys, check you the am is log showing me. So guys, you can check, I invite total my friend uh, 12, and there is the gmail, and this guys, I make the gmail any I make it just like I like just I like uh, any email id you can create and make unlimited account, and you self invite and you earn self. So guys, you can check it. This is my all email id myself. This is all email id my. And guys, how do you invite your friend? Then guys, copy your referral link, and just I click my invitation link, referral link, then it copy has been copied. Then you guys, you can send your friend WhatsApp, Facebook, other any platform. So guys, that's it. And guys, you look here, the exchanger this time is not available, and wallet not available, and assist not available. So guys, after the updating the Aladdin 25.com app, then it solve, and you can withdraw your M, I mean guys. So guys, this is the new unlimited trick. You can try it, and I hope you loot very unlimited money from Aladdin 25, and you can join it fast and receive the 100 M, and you can make unlimited account. You can make unlimited account. You first time create your email, unlimited email, and just like I create my all email. Just I show you some email who I registered myself. uh, so check guys, this is my all email ID, and I so guys, look here guys, only the Aladdin SMS receive. And guys, say see you again, this guys. So guys, you make unlimited email, and make unlimited money from Aladdin 25. So guys, that's it. This is a unlimited very trick, money loot trick. You can try it. I hope you make unlimited money from here. So guys, thank you, and you are first time on my channel, so click the subscribe button, and press the bell button. And when I upload a new video, then you can loot my, then you loot unlimited trick money. So guys, thank you so much. And guys,